Today we're out here with Grady County District Number 1 here in Oklahoma, and we had the opportunity to test out a new piece of equipment that we just produced.
My name is Alex. I'm with Grady County District 1 in Tuttle, Oklahoma. We have been road widener customers for about 5 years now. We do a lot of different projects with road wideners. We use them to lay asphalt, we use them to lay millings, crusher run type materials. We also use them to lay surge type materials and washouts.
We stand by innovation and we listen to our customers' needs, and we wanted to make some improvements to our existing machine that we think our customers are really going to enjoy, especially our Grady County guys.
This machine, compared to the old style machine, it's really great to have the vertical adjustment up and down for the shoe. That way, if you're coming into some high terrain or something, you can go positive or negative grade. That's really helpful getting around the obstacles and stuff on the edge of the road.
Ready? Whenever.
All right, Bob, here we go. Put it right, Bob.
We've also incorporated a hydraulic ram in front of a new push bar, which has the ability to pivot both left and right to maintain proximity to the dump truck.
The new hydraulic controls are really great. The speed control for the belt is significantly better. Yeah, it's a lot easier to modulate belt speed based on your material needs for your work zone.